Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stellar XLM. The Stellar smart contract platform is live and alive, guys. It's going to be an interesting one, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of Stellar at the time of the recording. Let us check it out. So, guys, Stellar is down 2.90% for the day. The price is 11 cents. So, yeah, it has gone up from, it has basically rebounded 0.113 all the way to 0.114. Not much to talk about here. Let us look at the 7-day chart. So, yeah, if you look at the 7-day chart, guys, Stellar basically came down and went through this crucial attraction point that we always talk about 0.114. So it went down, it basically did a false breakout, and it is basically coming back up and testing this area again. Let's see where it goes. Let us look at the monthly chart to get a better perspective. So yeah, guys, check this out. This is the price that the price that the chart always gets back to, whether it goes up or goes down. This is the price range, the attraction point 0.11, 1125. So yeah, basically this has been the range since the month. Let us look at the year, what is happening in the year. So yeah, if you look at the year as well, not much rally after the move over here. Not much to do after Stellar basically moved from 0.07632 all the way to 16 cents. But since that time, it came down and it is basically in this range. But guys, overall, Stellar, in my opinion, is underrated at the moment because out of all the ISO 20022 compliant coins, we rarely get to see people talk about XLM. Mostly they talk about XRP. But Stellar at the moment, 3.2 billion market cap. It it can run, guys, in the next bull run. If you look at the market cap, it achieved basically 16.91 billion market cap in its all-time high. It obviously is primed and scheduled to break it this run. Anything less would be a disappointment for a lot of people because everyone is saying in the next bull run it certainly can go to triple digit billions, 100 billion or more. But let's see what happens. Anyways, guys, why we people think that it can reach three-digit billions and beyond, guys, hundreds of billions and trillions even. A lot of people are optimistic about Stellar. Why is that? One of that reason is that Stellar is constantly developing, guys. Check this out. Basically, yeah, 2 years in the making. Soroban official, the Stellar smart contracts platform is live. Read all about it via Blockworks. So let us check this out. So Stellar Sparks smart contract upgrade, and it's not an EVM. Basically, it's not Ethereum virtual machine. So yeah, what is it? Let's look. A bespoke smart contract layer, Soroban, is online after years of development. This is shout out to Macaulay Peterson, February 21st. This is latest. Validators of the Stellar network voted Tuesday to upgrade the Stellar mainnet to Protocol 20, which introduces the Soroban smart contract platform. So basically, the Protocol 20 upgrade is the Soroban smart contract platform. The addition of smart contracts follows years of planning for Stellar, which has been known primarily for payments. Basically, Stellar was targeting payments and the payment sector. Now that it is adding smart contracts capabilities, the smart contracts, this can be huge, guys, as it seeks to compete with a plethora of smart contract ecosystems. Obviously, it has basically opened up a whole new floodgate for itself. So it can be huge, guys, in the long run. it has a huge community, a huge following already, so this can be huge. The Stellar community aims to differentiate Soroban by emphasizing a combination of its efficiency-focused use cases and integration with Stellar's existing infrastructure. Soroban is expected to extend Stellar's current stance on cross-border transactions and interoperability between various fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. You might remember Stellar was working as an intermediary between fiat and cryptos and all of that stuff, payments, and its infrastructure was built upon that. Now we're adding a new dimension, guys, with support for compliance and regulatory requirements directly within the smart contract. So their smart contract layer is also compliant, it's also regulated, guys, making it more appealing for institutional adoption. So a smart contract for institutional adoption, this is where the title basically came from. So yeah, smart contract for institutions. Cool, guys. Originally launched in 2014, Stellar made a name for itself through its native stablecoins, including USDC, and partnership with MoneyGram in 2021, which is huge, guys. MoneyGram basically transfers assets all across the globe. No matter where you are, you might have heard of MoneyGram. USDC is also a brand in the crypto industry. The platform was always more than a currency, with many basic building blocks for the payments focus built. Cool. You have things like payments, a decentralized exchange, all the technical minutiae, things like multisig, time locks, issuing assets as a first class primitive. Awesome. Playing catch up or catching narratives. The past year has seen numerous examples of chains that previously launched as their own Layer 1 networks, shifting to an Ethereum Layer 2, think Celo, and more recently Lisk, or of chains adopting the Ethereum virtual machine. With Soroban, Stellar is charting its own course, not jumping on prevailing narratives. It's neither a layer 2 nor is it using the EVM. So, guys, layer 2 narrative has, as you guys know, gained momentum. A lot of layer 2s are being built or adoption of Ethereum virtual machine is happening. But, guys, Stellar is carving its own path. We want to ensure that this doesn't affect the existing stakeholders, so we're taking a very progressive approach to opening up floodgates. Valor explained, we're launching with very minimal capabilities and slowly opening it up. So, slowly and gradually, guys, it is going to be increasing. The momentum will increase. It took some time to get full buy in from all Stellar stakeholders, but with the emergence of successful decentralized apps, like Uniswap on Ethereum, which iterate quickly thanks to their smart contract platforms. This SDFs realized that having to coordinate a chain upgrade with validators to deploy a dApp like an AMM based DEX wasn't the ideal strategy. Why is that, guys? Because Uniswap is extremely popular on Ethereum. If we actually want to have like a good pace of innovation on the protocol layer, we probably need to detach it from the core protocol. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Anyways, guys, this is a really good read. Really good read. You guys can check this out yourselves, but we will check what a really good post over here. Let me show you guys. Yeah, some questions, guys. Here are responses to some of the most frequent questions regarding Soroban, guys. Let us now check this out. What people are asking. So our comments are burning up with questions. Our comments are burning up with questions about what's ahead for Soroban official on Stellar Mainnet. So here are responses to some of the most frequent questions. How will the phased rollout benefit the network and users? The phased approach prioritizes stability. So basically, the phased approach, phase one, phase zero, phase one, and that's sort of approach, guys, slowly and gradually. The phased approach prioritizes stability, performance, and user experience. Validators will vote at each step, ensuring a measured and optimized journey for builders and users. So, guys, for stability, performance, and user experience, this is good phased approach. What happens in phase zero? Phase zero equals network stability. Operators will observe the upgraded network, focusing on smoke testing, basic contract execution, and network configuration upgrades. Cool. How long will phase zero last? Okay, so it will last on around 1 week, not much. Why are Soroban transactions limited in phase 0? This is the largest upgrade this network has ever seen. We want to make sure things are working as expected, so this is cool. Largest guys obviously upgrade, and this is basically extremely huge for Stellar. Can I test my Soroban contract on Stellar mainnet? Right now, you can't test Soroban dApps during phase 0. Cool. We encourage people to use testnet. When will Soroban dApps be production ready? Soroban dApps will be production ready in phase 2. How will I know when phase 1 is live? Phase 1 is where builders can finally deploy contracts on mainnet for testing. We will keep everyone in the loop regarding the validator's decision, so this is great. Check out our blog for more info on the phased release strategy. Let us check this out. So yeah, the Stellar Network's phased rollout of smart contracts. What has changed? The vote, Protocol 20. This is transitioning to mainnet, phased approach, Protocol 20, stability testing, phase 0, then phase 1, deploy and monitor. Then in phase 2, user ready mainnet, guys. Anyone can deploy and interact with smart contracts. Ledger capacity will continue to increase. This is what people are waiting for, guys. So, what do you guys think about this upgrade, guys? Do you think that this will be a game changer for Stellar or not? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know your thoughts. If you like the video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.